What up, crypto lovers and enthusiasts? Happy day today. Bitcoin seeing a lot of red, getting out of the triangle that I thought it was going to maintain in, dropping to an area. Let's see. We're going to take a look at the charts. We're going to take a look at a bunch of charts. Take a look around. We're going to take a look around all the markets to see what we can see, what we can prognosticate. All right. Give you some of the reasons why this is happening, and we'll take a quick look around the low caps as well at the end. And so without further ado, let's do this. Markets are moved by fear and greed, right? So this is fear. This is the expectations of a huge movement from Mt. Gox yesterday. All right. In a recent post, Look On Chain reported that yesterday, over the course of 3 hours, Mt. Gox transferred $3.3 billion worth of Bitcoin to 3 unknown wallets. Since July 5th, the bankrupt exchange has moved 61,559 Bitcoin, valued at approximately $3.89 billion, to Bitstamp, Kraken, Bitbank, and SBI VC trade for repayment. As of now, more than 40% of coins have already been distributed to Mt. Gox creditors. When it comes to selling pressure caused by Mt. Gox, it seems that the market has overestimated it. That's something I want you guys to remember. Overestimate. Per USA Today's earlier report, many Bitcoin holders have chosen to move their funds to cold storage. So I think that's interesting. Let's continue on something that's not related to Mt. Gox, but it also has to do. Federal Reserve Chairman Jerome Powell told reporters late Wednesday that a rate cut could be on the table at the September meeting if the data on inflation and jobs market keeps coming in as expected. Okay, so if things start turning south, then they would not cut rates in September, and that would actually prolong everything, guys. Okay, so just keep that in mind. That's something that we have to have in the back of our heads. Tomorrow, July job report comes out. All right, so we want to see kind of a slowing economy, but not to. We have to have essentially everything Goldilocks, everything perfect. If something is off, the whole thing will be off. Okay, so that's where we are right now. I still hold my premise, whether it's a little bit later, okay, so be it. But I still hold my premise that the blow off top will come probably a year after that first rate hike, probably in September. I still believe in the 4-year cycle, unless things change dramatically in these next coming months. I still think that's going to happen. We'll see. We'll take it day by day. All right. But man, if I had money right now, if I had the capital right now to start all over, 100 grand, I just need 100 grand. If I had like 100 grand right now, I would start buying right now and just hold, buy over these next couple of months, 2-3 months, and then just hold and wait for a whole year. All right, because I think in a year from after that time, I'd be a very happy man. All right, Bitcoin, let's see if it drops down here as support or if it stays just right above it. Okay, 62,558. It could be that it just stays. We lost all this little areas right here for now, which we're at 16th of July. We've been here before. The 16th of July was the last time we've been here. 62,000. Okay. Today's the 1st of August, the first month. Let's take a look at how the month closed really quickly. Small little bodies. Okay, small little bodies, guys, right here. This is the current month now, August 1st. Okay, it closed green. Okay, this is July. Closed green, small little body, high wicks on both ends. Interesting. What could it tell? To me, honestly, until it changes, I'm gonna just keep sticking to this. Maybe a red month after a green month, but I don't imagine that it goes too much lower, guys. I don't know that we have this precipitous drop. Boom, right here. Could, but more than likely, it's probably just a wick down here to 58,000. In the scheme of Bitcoin month, all right? But looking at that way, so we'll see how low this wick is, how low this wick of this body is. But once this wick is created, probably at the beginning of this month, probably the next half or towards the end of August, I expect it to go the other way, or if anything, just kind of stay sideways. I don't know. I'm thinking. I'm gonna guess August would probably gonna turn out being a green month, but we'll see. We'll see what happens. Interesting. Did it open at 64,000? All right, so we have to get above 64,500 this month for it to be green. Okay. Right now it's at 62,360, and people are scared. Let's take a look at the rest of the markets. See what we can. Let's put this on the daily. Dow Jones, Nasdaq, just giving back gains. And S&P 500 just giving back gains. What's interesting though, 2-year bond yield is also down. 10 years also down as well. DXY is up a little bit, I think. Yep. Interesting. Let's see what the dominance looks like right now. Okay, that's positive. I like that. I think we're gonna continue to move up there. Others, gonna see. Look like we're gonna retest again here, huh? Could it be a retest, final retest before the move up? Same thing here. Could it be a final retest before the move up? It's quite possible. As long as we don't get back down here, I think we should be fine. As long as we make a higher low, which I think will probably be somewhere around here. 62,003, maybe as low as 61,300 something. Maybe slightly lower, 61,000, right around there. Let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. Also of interest, oh, we got, it's 34 minutes ago. Profile. $312 million liquidated from the crypto market in the past 24 hours. So the market makers are taking back money. They're like, give me that money. Let's move this stuff. All right, let's get these leverage guys out of here. Boom. But that's cool. If they're liquidated, that's positive, man. That's positive. It clears the board and then allows things to move in the proper direction, which my guess is up. This is nothing. I wish I had money. Right now, I would be buying. So fears on Mt. Gox, basically, okay, because of the huge moves yesterday that I mentioned. The uncertainty. Now there's going to be uncertainty on all the economic numbers that come in. You know, they're going to be looking at that and gauging to see if it was bad enough for the Fed to say, yeah, in September we're going to cut. So they're going to be looking at that too. So if things are look too good, that would probably be bad as well. So that's what I mean. Everything has to be kind of perfect, but still, I think this is just opportunity. Man, I wish I had capital. I really do. What would I be buying? Let's see. Let's take a look. Rio at a dollar. Hell yeah, I would be buying Rio. Crowdy. Just see things that Trias. I would be buying. Look at that drop. $6.40. I would be buying. Let's see what else. Tectum. I don't know. I mean, that's at a pretty good juicy level. $5.83. Veracity is also at an extremely juicy level at 0.003. But would I buy them both if I had excess capital? WeCode had a nice little drop right here. I'd be buying that. But I just don't like the volume is kind of low on WeCode, but I like it. Dynex, 47 cents all the way back down here again. I'd buy that. I'd buy a little bit of that. Neural, I would definitely buy at $4.58, 56 cents. It's a lot of buys. Navi would be a good buy. I think Navi's going to do extremely well. Yeah, that's what I would look at, guys. So what's up with Trex 20? Look, Trex 20 has been trying to move up lately. Interesting. I've been seeing them on my feed a little bit more, so I'm gonna keep an eye on that. Let's take a look really quickly at what we saw yesterday. The memes. Everything's getting killed, guys. Everything's getting killed. Cool. I like it. I wish I had money. I wish I had capital. I would be buying all this stuff. It's 100 grand. What's 100 grand between friends? Just send me 100 grand. I'll 50x that. Send me 100 grand. I'll 50x that. All right. I think that's it. That's it, guys. Just a lot of fear. Let's see how low Bitcoin goes. I'm gonna guess. Just say that we don't go too much below 61,000 if we even get there. We'll see. We'll take it day by day. But still, overall, the whole 4-year cycle thing to me still looks good. I want to add that on that first cut a year after is more or less when I think the blow off top will be, and I'm going to stick to that unless things start to change, okay? But we'll be watching things day by day. Everything else overall doesn't look too bad. Got to watch the Dow Jones, the NASDAQ, and the S&P. They'll be looking at data. They'll be looking at their data, so let's see how all that stuff goes. And we're going to be extremely data dependent because we are waiting for that rate cut. We are waiting for that flow of money to be coming into the whole system so that it finds its way into the crypto markets, which it will. Just give it time, be patient. If you have capital, I would deploy it. If I had 100 grand, I would be deploying it. I would be buying all of this month and next month, basically the rest of the rest of the year, ideally in the next couple of months, and then just kind of sitting out and waiting. That would be my plan. All right, guys, if you can, please leave a comment. I'm trying to grow this channel. Please subscribe as well. All that stuff helps. I see the numbers moving up slightly. I see if we can continue that. I'm going to do my best to keep bringing you guys as best information, the best of me that I can for my analysis of this market, sharing all that stuff with you. Also, if you want, I'm going to do charge 50 USDT for an hour and a half consult. Okay, an hour consultation with me. Let me know if you're interested. Talk to me internally. Send me a message, and we'll make that happen. All right, cool. All that said, thank you. See you guys tomorrow. Have a good one. Peace.